The culture of watching music on television is long gone, as we know. And now music television in this country doesn't exist. Bollywood has always represented what you kids are already into. We all know what he did on screen. Bollywood absorbed Daler Mehndi, Bollywood absorbed Shan. Art अपनी जगह है, लेकिन art लोगों तक पहुंचाओगे कैसे? Yes, Sujit, he started the first rock association in Bombay called the Bombay Rock Association, which sought to bring about audiences to listen to a genre of music. So he did that to bring, but at the time of, that was the beginning of music television in this country. And now music television in this country doesn't exist. I mean, the channels exist, but the culture of watching music on television is long gone, as we know. When he spoke about that show called Looks After Us, that came about because there was a lot of music that was not getting played, which the kids of that time, of my generation, were listening to, and that had no representation. And this included also Indian independent musicians, rock bands who were producing their own music and their own music videos even back then. So I spoke to the management of the channel and I said, okay, all day long we are playing the popular stuff, we are playing the popular Bollywood, we are playing Daler Mehndi वगैरह सब कुछ बजा रहे हैं हम लोग, but रात में एक slot create करते हैं जहाँ पर where we can play this alternative kind of music, which there is an audience for, which the kids want to seek out and learn. The legendary actor Shammi Kapoor Saab, right? We all know what he did on screen. He brought rock and roll to India. How did he do that? Because when he would travel abroad, he would go to these clubs where he would see all these kids dancing to Elvis Presley and Jerry Lee Lewis and Chuck Berry and all that kind of stuff. And he said, "Arey yaar, ye sab to India mein aana chahiye." So he would buy records and he would come back to India. When he was working on his films, he would sit with his music directors. He said, "दोस्तों, ये music चल रहा है आजकल. ये आजकल की generation ये music सुन रही है. इस तरह के गाने बनाते हैं." So we had a Shankar Jaikishan and R.D. Burman, who created rock and roll music of the time, which is why those songs we remember. The Hindi film industry, who we popularly call Bollywood, has always sought to represent what the youth is into at that point in time at the ground level. So in the 60s and the 70s, it was rock and roll. In the late 70s, early 80s, it was disco. In the 90s, it went for a toss. And with rock on, it came back. With hip hop, it's come back. Bollywood has always represented what you kids are already into and turning it into mainstream. But the point is, they do it for a very commercial gain audience because they have to spoon feed to an audience that doesn't know anything about the culture. So they have to create all these masala stories and so on and so forth. Bollywood saw this. अरे यार सब लोग music television देख रहे हैं. Music channel पे music video आता है. Music video is totally different from what a picturization of a Hindi film song is. So this is a whole new thing that we can tap. But they hadn't figured out how to do it yet. In that time that they were trying to figure it out was born our homegrown indie pop stars. The bands were already there, but the pop stars were being formed. So we had, the Dalers and the Lucky Alis and all of these Sunita Rao and Shweta Shetty and all these peoples of the world who then made a mark because they brought a Western sound to Indian consciousness with a certain amount of Indian sensibilities. So Lucky Ali brought his poetry, Daler brought his rustic Bhangra style, but it was all pop. It was not folk yet. So all of this happened and the audience got into watching all of this regularly and they became superstars. A lot of pop music or pop stars that we have today have a lot to owe to all that kind of music from that time. Now time is flowing. We are developing. ये हो रहा है. Bollywood is picking up. A lot of the Bollywood absorbed Daler Mehndi, Bollywood absorbed Shan. All the pop stars who were created, who are doing their own independent thing, not doing songs for Hindi films, Bollywood absorbed them. And they quietly went to that side because, hey, money is good. Commerce भी कोई चीज़ होती है ना. Art अपनी जगह है, लेकिन art लोगों तक पहुँचाओगे कैसे? Marketing चाहिए. Marketing के लिए पैसे चाहिए. So you had to look at it as a business at some point in time.